Plasticity and Fusion 360 are both 3D modeling tools, but they serve different purposes. Plasticity is a NURBS-based modeler focused on hard surface design and concept modeling. It's built for speed and creativity with a minimalist interface and direct modeling flow. It's perfect for industrial designers and artists who want freedom without parametric constraints. Fusion 360, by contrast, is an all-in-one CAD, CAM, and K solution. It's ideal for engineers, offering parametric tools, simulation, and even manufacturing workflows like CNC and 3D printing. While plasticity is faster for modeling forms, Fusion is more structured and complete for production. Choose plasticity for design speed and flexibility. Choose Fusion 360 for engineering grade tools and end-to-end workflows.